How to use the Betway Casino section for slots and live games. Now Betway, by the way, has now been renamed to Spin Palace Casino by Betway. So it's no longer called Betway, but it has got a rebranding. Now first and foremost, open the Spin Palace Casino or the former Betway app and tap the login icon from the bottom right to log into your account using your email and password. Once you log into your Betway account, navigate to the casino or the live casino section. Now normally if you're already logged in, you'll find the casino section over here. If not, you can go to the find option and you can go to the casino section right from here, right? So you can simply search for it and go to that particular option. And once you've done that, you can browse the games, like you can explore the slots, table games or live dealer option. Choose a game that interests you. Review the game, rules and paytables, adjust your bet amount and start the game. Once done, you can keep track of your balance and set the limits. This way you could go ahead and then use the Betway Casino section for slots and live games. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.